Hello, Earth and Space Science students. These are the directions for the Mountains and Rain Shadow assignment. And so this one's actually pretty straightforward if I remember correctly. It's one of those PBS websites that I love so much. When you click on it, it has different pages, and you can see the way the assignment is organized is by those page numbers. They should go in order. And I think, yeah, there's about a question for every page. It's not like we're skipping around like we sometimes do. You'll start on page 1. I would just continue as a guess. Unless you're going to come back to this again and again, if you're going to do it all in one go, do a guess. Otherwise, you should be able to sign in, I think, and then use your Google account. Anyway, I'm going to continue as a guess here just so I can kind of show you it and save us some time. It will ask you to do the questions sometimes on their website. So, like one of them, especially like I know this one, like the model will say visualize it. I'll actually have you take a screenshot of it on here. I'll kind of show you what that button looks like. All right, so we start off on page 1. You can listen to things be read to you. You can read it yourself. There's a video to watch. And really, you're just reading the text and you're answering the questions. So it's kind of a reading comprehension type stuff here. As you kind of go through it, right, if I go to the next page, it's going to have different locations going on, these different mountains. And you'll kind of notice this impact, right? One side's really green, one side is not as green. We got California really green, not as green. You see this kind of in different places as well. And you'll be writing about when it says to take notes. You don't need to take notes here because this question, I guarantee, is probably what's on your assignment. Yep. And so they kind of go, our assignment kind of follows along with it, but make sure you're recording your responses on here so that your teacher can grade them. And then really, like I said, it's just a lot of reading, writing, reading, writing. If you get to the end on page 9, that's kind of what I want to show you next, is you're going to make your own model where it says visualize it here of what is going on. And so I remember this being kind of a pain last year. So like if you're having trouble, let your teacher know, because I don't remember this being the smoothest thing. You can add text and you can describe what's going on. So I can say like, I don't know, clouds. You can make that different colors. Yep. For the background, undo, clear, all kinds of stuff. What you're trying to do here, as I kind of look on here, is you're going to be using those tools, those drawing tools, to create your own model. So this is what it starts off looking like. Your screenshot of your finished product will go below. I would use the text tools and maybe the arrows to help you out. But this is what you're trying to include in your model. So the windward and the leeward, these are different sides of the mountain. Where the wind is, the water vapor, evaporation, ocean, prevailing winds, or orographic lift, condensation, precipitation. They'll all have talked about those previously on different pages. And so you're just kind of labeling where those are using the text box. You might have to use some arrows there. You can draw, is this a straight line, I'm guessing? Yeah, that's a straight line. You can draw a curvy line. So that's how you would draw arrows. You can do different colors, different text sizes, and you'll kind of make your model and then just take a screenshot of it. And then that's what you're going to insert as your answer here. And then there's one last question there. So that should be it. And yeah, have a good day.